What's up YouTube, it's Danny back in another video. I am racing against the clock because I did not charge this camera. So hopefully I can complete this video pretty quickly. So today, October 30th, not only is it my birthday, more importantly, AirPods Pro, they are here. They are launched. 2 days ago, Apple, out of nowhere, said, hey, you know what, we're gonna drop the AirPods Pro announcement. So they did, they dropped it live on the website. We have seen rumors for a while, so we pretty much knew what it was going to look like. So let me quickly get these out of the box. So what I want to do is set these up on live on camera using, obviously my phone. So we're gonna do just that. Getting them out of the wrapper. My box is a little crushed, but other than that, it's okay. So comes off just like that. Very nice. Designed by Apple in California, and here, ooh, they're pretty, very pretty. So under here, I believe, are the tips. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of washed. Sorry about that. It died. The camera died. Anyway, continuing with the video. This is as far as I got. I have not opened them. I have not unwrapped. I need to turn on the light. Give me a second. It's gonna like blow up the camera for a second. Just until white balance kicks in, just like that. So, back to what we were doing. These are the AirPods Pro. It's the charging case, and inside are the pros themselves. But anyway, what I was saying is behind this, before we cut off, behind this should be the AirPod tips. I think is what they're called. So I pull this up, comes out like that. And yes, behind that are the tips. And so in theory, I think Siri or at least the iPhone helps determine what size tips I need. So we've got a USB-C lightning cable in the box as well. So there you go, very nice. None of it's focusing because it's focused on my face, but it's fine, it's whatever. So what I'm gonna do now is first minimize the window on accident on my computer. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the AirPods Pro case with the buds inside. There it is. See that? There they are. Just like that. And it should pop up on my phone. I'm just getting a quick thumbnail real quick. There we go. All right. Going to my phone. Holding my phone upside down. Look at that. Immediately finds them. So if it would just focus, there you go. Very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and set these up real quick. Hit connect. Connecting. It says Your Excellency's AirPods Pro. It says that because that's what I have Siri call me. Just because for laughs and giggles. So yeah. Very nice. Get done. And they're paired just like that. So I'm just gonna have the default AirPods, the buds that are in right now, and see if those fit my ear. So these pull out, very nice. They are shorter. They're much shorter, look at that. There we go. There they are. Very, very nice indeed. Very cool. So I'm gonna put them in after my camera focuses. Sorry, this thing's seen better days. All right, so left and right. Oh. Okay, so wow. The default ones definitely fit my ear. I can't hear a thing. That's cool. All right, and they look good, but boy, do they sound. So let's see if I have. Hopefully I'm not yelling. Noise cancellation's on. Okay, now transparency's. Transparency is so cool. I can hear. It's weird. So transparency is on. Noise cancellation's on. Look at that. I wish you guys could hear what I hear. It's crazy. So put transparency back on. Wow. That's legit. That is so legit. And then off. Off is off. And okay, I hear more of my voice now, but not much around me. So wow. So I'm gonna turn on noise cancellation. I've got noise cancellation. It's shocking how quiet it is. It's absolutely shocking. Okay. I'm just gonna play some music real quick. I'm whispering because I don't want to be yelling. Okay, transparency's on. Now I can hear around me. This is off. Now I hear most of my voice. Noise cancellation's on. Very cool. I am thoroughly impressed. I cannot believe how good this sounds with the noise cancellation on, and how crazy it sounds with transparency on. You can definitely hear all around you, and it uses microphones that are built into the AirPods Pro to do that, which is amazing. So there you guys go. Sorry about the slight interruption, but I'm very impressed. They look good too, obviously. Only available in white again, so people will continue to buy the fake black AirPods, but hey, it's their choice. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all in the next video. I can definitely recommend this product. It's amazing, and I'm very happy with my purchase. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.